today I am making what is called a clove orange pomodoro. I had purchased quite a number of oranges and tangerines, and the tangerines I liked, and I did can them. These oranges weren't suitable, but it looks to me like they're more than suitable to make these beautiful clove orange balls. Now, I made this one a little while ago, and it still has a lot of scent, and it is totally dried out, and it is awesome. So these are great for Christmas decoration, and there's a number of patterns that you can make on them, or I prefer to do them completely solid. That way the orange doesn't dry out and it doesn't rot. But today I don't know if I have enough cloves to complete one or complete another one, but I've got one somewhat started. And what I have done is I've made ridge lines, just scored them with my knife so that I have an idea of where I want to place these. Now, I may eventually completely cover it in cloves as well, but for the time being I'm just going to start off like this. And as you can see, I've already got one row. So as I say, I've scored lines where I'm going to put these, and then we just use a toothpick to drill some holes in the orange. And the smell of cloves and orange at the same time is just awesome. Just awesome. Now, this is definitely a very time-consuming project, so you want to do it when you're relaxing or have some time. And all we do there is poke the holes and then stick a clove in. And you do want to poke the holes because otherwise it would be too difficult to stick the cloves in to the orange itself. And of course, the tighter you do them, the nicer they turn out, but they do shrink. The orange does shrink as it dries. So, and yeah, you do lose some of the clove bits, but that's fine too. It all evens out and you don't even notice it. So here we go, and you can do all kinds of patterns. I've seen spiral patterns, and I've seen, like I said, my preference is doing the whole orange because it lasts for years. I can't remember the last time I did this. It was quite a while ago. Probably close to 5-6 years ago while I did the last one. But they're very pretty, very ornamental, and very nice to set them on your table. And as you can see, all I'm doing is poking a hole with my with a toothpick where I have scored it, and the reason I've scored it is so I can try and get as straight a line as possible. Now, if you know you're going to do the whole orange, that probably wouldn't matter. So, and what I've done is I'm going to, as you can see, I've got them in a bowl with gourds and oranges that are not done yet. I don't know how many of these oranges I'm going to do, but I'll try to do them all. And I know I'm definitely going to run out of cloves before I even finish this one. They do, if you do the whole orange, they definitely take a lot of cloves. But I think this year I'm going to try and do some with just a pattern. And the issue then, of course, is will they dry out the same? And I don't know because I've never done them that way. I've always done the complete whole orange, and they've always dried beautifully. Don't rot, don't go bad. They just dry, and the smell is just amazing. So, okay. So, go on to the next. Let's see. And if you lose bits of the clove, it really doesn't matter. And this is what is called a pomanders. And I believe that's French for scented ball or something like that. And I don't know why, but it has become a Christmas thing. Perhaps it's just because oranges and cloves are both around this time of year, but it definitely is used as a Christmas decoration. So, as you can see, we're developing a very pretty pattern here. Now, I've also seen spiral patterns, which are gorgeous as well. So, you can do just about anything you like on these, and squared off patterns. But I thought I'd try this one first, make it look kind of like a natural, like the gourds where you have your natural wedges, so similar. Okay, where did I leave off here? Interesting. I didn't think I had completed the row. Okay, more holes. There, okay. And as I said, this is the sort of thing you want to do in your leisure time when you're relaxed. And can I tell you that the aroma is just amazing. I don't know why, but the smell of the two of them together is just amazing. And there I can tell I don't have any holes poked in, okay, because I'm breaking the cloves up. And what I'm going to do is pull those ones out and redo them. Okay. Okay, and that's how easy it is to make a clove orange. I don't know what else I'm going to do as a Christmas decoration, but this is nice. It can be set up as a table centerpiece. I think that's what I intend to do with it. Once I've completed, you know, I'll probably do about, at least 4 or 5 of these oranges, and then use that as a table centerpiece, as I said. So anyway, that's how you do them. I'm not going to do the whole thing in front of you. It would take forever. But this is what they look like, dry. You know, they're quite interesting, actually. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a real short one, but that's it for today, and we'll catch you on the next one.